We are gonna sell our boat. So, welcome to this week. I'm gonna make this a quick video. We're so sad about it. Maybe we're not. I'm so sad about it. I shouldn't say everybody else is. But I've kind of gotten outvoted on the boat. So we're actually gonna list Leah. We'll probably, you know, we'd still like to spend a little time next year, but we don't know. If the right buyer came along, we just sell it. But I'm probably not gonna list Leah until next year. I'd probably list it in January. And so I'm saying this, if there's any interest, to let me know. I'd rather not list it with the broker dealing with all that. So here we are. I just wanna share a couple of things that we absolutely love about Leah. Number one thing is Leah is so fast. Here we are going 10, 11 knots. It's just so amazing. And we're in French Polynesia, and just everywhere you go. Someone the other day asked me, how is your hull so clean? And I said, well, the arrogant way to say this is we go fast enough that we don't need to worry about it. And it's so nice. Obviously we maintain it so we don't have to scrub it. We get it redone every year, but the bottom paint. But yeah, it's Leah is so fast, so it's amazing how quick we can get anywhere. A couple highlights, I guess I'd say, is we do have new sails. They're a year and a half old, I guess almost 2 years old now, for both the mainsail and the Genoa from North Sails. And we just barely got our new spinnaker, which is so cool. I don't have much video of it, but it's all black. It's pretty awesome. So a couple of things, if it gets sold before this winter, whatever, but a couple of things. The Jenniker could be, one of the seams is bad, so I thought, if it doesn't sell, we'd replace the Jenniker. And our trinket, it's like, we might replace that as well. They're still fine. The Code Zero is great, but yeah. So one cool thing about Leah's a 4-cabin boat. So we have 4 cabins, 2 heads, 2 showers. It makes it so nice for family cruising, and you can have guests and stuff, and it's been perfect for our setup. Everybody has their own room, and yeah, so it's been great. Anyway, to close this up, if you have any questions about Leah, let me know, write a comment, whatever, on YouTube. But we'll as well be able to grab information. Instagram is probably the easiest to connect with us, and then we can connect with phone numbers and stuff, and we can go from there. So anyway, if you have any questions, let me know. I can answer a lot just on the comments on YouTube. Thanks for hanging out with us this week. Anyway, we'll go from there. Happy sailing.